Ready? Yep. Hear from the distance how they walk through the water. Now we have a whole line of heads. Warthog, springbok. It's a red hartebeest. This one is a springbok. I want to shoot this beautiful jacaranda tree. Wow, this color is unreal. So in Windhoek we did see some of them, but it's not this impressive. You can see the ground. There are tons of purple flowers. I think the birds actually love this tree more. There are like tons of them in there. I like the fact that they're just jumping around and looking for a better spot and picking up some branches and try to decorate or rebuild their place.
Today, right now, we are here in Khanti. We are going to drive through, you see the guard, Bushman village.
Yeah.
We are very in the edge of central Kalahari Game Reserve. Okavango, Panhandle, as you can see, the Panhandle, the river comes from Angola, Namibia, it goes down here, permanent swamp, and once it reaches Botswana, it spreads like my fingertips. Like here you can see it spreads, you go to Maung. In Maung, that's when you are going to do your scenic flight over the delta here.
Great.
Just one night in Maung, and then we drive down here from Maung to Gweta. In Gweta, that's where we are going to see the meerkat. This is the salt pen that we have here in Botswana. In Tetwe pen and Sewer pen, we also mine salt here in Sewer pen. And we drive up to Chobe National Park. We spend 2 nights in Chobe, and our trip ends in Victoria Falls. Stop 2 nights in Kazunkula. This is actually the Kazunkula. This is the only place in Africa where 4 countries meet. That will be your Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, and Namibia. If you don't save the last 4 rhinos here in Botswana, we'll end up not having any rhino in the country. And then they move these 4 rhinos, put them here. But on arrival, one of them died because of a bullet wound. One of them died, then they were only left with 3 rhinos. The whole country of Botswana, only 3 rhinos. Up until 1993, South Africa decided to donate 4 rhinos again to them. They had 7, Namibia decided to donate 3 rhinos for them. They had 10. Today, I can tell you the project is doing very well. They've got more than 52 rhinos in the center, both black and white. Big 4 in Chobe National.
At this point, and here's where we're gonna take the speedboat. So tonight, tomorrow night, we're gonna have 2 nights over in Delta Okavango. Smart design. So you're able to flip it around and easy to clean it out. Oh. Oh, a hippo! He's shy.
Just shy.
Ooh. So cute.
malachat kingfisher. There's a small tiny bird on the ground. Oh, there. It went in. It's very, very beautiful actually. The one that is flying on top, that's a white-fronted bee-eater nest for your fish eagle. The nest is still active actually. They lay 2 eggs. And the tree is a sausage tree.
Wow, it is sausage.
They can grow or live up to 100 years. Oh, there, do you see the baby? 3 of them.
What are they?
3 of them. Elephants, 4, 5.
Elephants.
Let's go back here.
There are 2 in front of you. Looks pretty decent. Okay. Just arrived at our boathouse. Nice view. They even have a nice bar in here. Very, very quick tour. And here we are. And we even have a small washroom. Super happy at the moment. We got the room. Very tiny though, but very, very good. And it's gonna be a hot night. Obviously, this is a hippo-focused place. We have tons of them. This one is opening the mouth like crazy. Okay. So currently I'm in this boathouse, and obviously it's a boat, so it's actually moving. We're just trying to catch that bird. Now obviously it's just flying around me. Hello. Because it has 2nd floor, actually the view is better. The sun is slowly setting, and our boat is moving. This is the sunset of the day. So the birds, yeah, you see these? That's kind of like flying with us. They're actually swallows. Their nest is with the boat. That's why they're with us. Yes, that would be perfect.
If we could just have a hippo.
What is that? Oh yeah, they are in front of us. Oh my god. That's amazing. With the sunset. Happy birthday to hip hip. Hey.
It means grow up, grow old. God bless you. So it's an elephant. Grow up as old as an elephant.
Five minutes after we started, elephant. Hello. So here we got a lot of very fresh elephant droppings. Look, they're all around this area.
These are mopane trees. Normally during this time they should be green. This is where the locals they get the caterpillar and the worm from these trees where we normally eat. These trees they no longer getting leaves, which means the villagers they can't get the mopane worm anymore. Population of elephants here in Botswana is really high. currently in these areas, the Ronga up to Chome National Park, we talk about more than 100,000 of elephants.
100,000.
Some people they're saying our land can no longer take a number of elephants anymore. This is because they are destroying almost everything here. That last year, government of Botswana, they were planning something that we call a Kali. That is where they were trying to reduce numbers of elephants, especially the young ones. But one minister in Germany said, if you do that, we are going to sue you. That's when government of Botswana says, okay, Germany, we are sending 20 containers of elephants to you so that you can live with them. The government of Germany said, okay, no, we don't want them either. You can stay with your elephant. But as it is right now, numbers are increasing.
So too many elephants can be a problem too.
Ready?
Yep. Ooh. It's very quiet here, a little bit breezy. Hopefully we see some animals. For the elephant? Yeah. Hi, water lily. And hi, elephant. Beautiful. Getting closer-ish. We're looking at some elephants from far. Luckily, the Makonos are actually not very shaky. It's very stable. And I think there's some white bird on top of it. They're like a big piece of rock. Whoa. So now we're going back to the small channels. Looks like they're just moving inside the wheat or watergrass, whatever you call it. Sorry, we're heavy. Poor guy. We have to go through a lot. Be cute, this little thing. Very nice.
When you see the hippos like this, you know that there's lots of fish here.
Mm. So cute. Bye bye, hippos.
Most of four-legged animals, we can't outrun them, except the tortoise. Yeah. So, if it's a leopard, no eye contact. Lion, eye contact. Leopard, no eye contact. And if you have got shade, you don't take out your shade or a sunglass. And the elephant dung is very useful here by the locals. Yeah. When there's lots of mosquitoes in the evening, we burn the elephant dung. Keep the mosquitoes away. And again, when you want to take out the beehive, the honey out, you smoke the bees to move away from the honey with elfin down. And it's a good fertilizer. And the bushmen that stays in the mainland, they pick fruits from the elephant down. We take the leaves and we rub on our body to get rid of mosquitoes.
I should do that now.
This is called wild sage. And the locals, they use the stem of the wild sage to make a fishing kill. So they weave it, these stems, they weave them to make a fishing kill so that when you insert it into the water, the fish, they will get in and they will not come out. And we take the number of the fish that we need and we will leave the rest. So that method even now is still allowed. It's lots of activities that was happening on this area.
It's a busy tree. Snake.
King of a snake and the intestine.
From the leopards eating up there.
Fruit birds.
Yeah.
And this is from baboons, right? That is elephant. They just, what they do, they peel it.
They scrape the bark off.
Yeah. So they were saying they used to use those trees, different trees, to build the konos. Not anymore. They're trying to use the fiberglass because they need to protect the trees. Their natural habitat for some birds as well.
It's an abandoned mound. There is no termites in. As you see, you can see the hole going right to the bottom. It is the hole made by Adiba, the ant eater. The nocturnal animal that eats termites at night. Because of other animals like baboons, birds. Baboons, they use the mound as a vantage point to scan the area. So they eat in the fruit and they drop the seed.
Okay.
So when termites renovating it, they cover that seed, then it regenerates. Secondly, the islands are formed by running water.
Yeah.
Due to the fact of the running water, that pile the sand, it ends up blocking the channel. Then birds, elephants, baboons, they drop the seeds then it regenerates to form a long island, which means before island there was a channel that was running here. Thirdly, it is formed by tectonic movement. It happens slightly here, we don't even feel it. It's because we are based on the Kalahari sand. It's like a cushion, shifting of land. Because Botswana is part of the desert, part of the Kalahari Desert. So that's why we say there are three ways our islands are formed in the delta: the tectonic movement, running water, and the termite mound.
They're all looking at us. It's so funny.
Do you feel eyes on you?
I didn't realize that.
They know that they are not supposed to be here. So they can be easily attacked by lions.
They are. Relax, relax.
Lion footprint here, lion paw.
I'm saying it's a big male one.
That's why I was saying that lions that are here, they've adapted the area. They can swim and cross to another island.
A young one?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a young one.
Yeah, eaten by
Killed by a lion.
lions. Look at that, this fatty. I guess he doesn't do much cardio. Just get bulky, no running. Flies, they really like to poop. About to leave. And we do have a lot of dragonflies in here.
Yeah, so he went for a competition.
That's really cool. Hello. Oh. Oh, they are. Wow. These are just so elegant animals.
Elephant crossing, huh? National Geographic Channel Life.
It is.
You can hear from the distance how they walk through the water. And the little ones, can't see much. Wow. They have beautiful water lilies here. And then the cows. We got this beautiful Bushman village. Soccer games with the local kids, and so we actually got a ball for them. Very thoughtful of our guide.